Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now I've been asked to have a look at this old Biasi boiler. It's got no heating and it's got no hot water. Basically it's not even firing up. So in this video we're going to diagnose it and hopefully repair it, and if you enjoyed the video don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, this video was sponsored by Easy Estate, your local letting agent in Birmingham. As introductory offer, we offer all our landlords free boiler repair cover and a free gas safety certificate. So if you're interested, give us a call now. Right guys, at this moment in time I don't know what's wrong with it, so I'm just figuring it out. I'm looking at checking it out, but as soon as you go to, sometimes when you go to the customer's house, all you do is open up the front panel and people asking, do you know what's wrong with it? And if you say no, not yet, I'm just figuring it out, and then they look at you in a certain way thinking, oh my god, I wonder if he knows what he's doing. Right guys, at the moment, right, the boiler's not even sparking at the electrodes, so there's no spark there. My suspicion has gone to the circuit board. There's an issue on the circuit board. Now I'm just open the circuit board up. I'm just going to check it out. I don't want to do it in the central heating because you got to go to the room start and all that. So anyway, I'm trying it out on the hot water, and then we're going to figure out what's going on with it. Now, if you guys got a boiler, broken down boiler in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Biasi, Worcester, Bosch, and many more. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. We also repair Gladill boilers too, tank systems, Y plans, S plans, and we also do boiler servicing and landlord gas safety certificates. So brother, try to tap for me now. Just want to make sure I got everything right. Right guys, now the electrodes, right, there's no spark on the electrodes, so I've got the circuit board open and checked the spark generator on that. There's no sparks there, and the boiler just, the lights are coming on and off, so my suspicion is going onto the circuit board. There's a fault on the circuit board, and I've had this problem before as well. So last time I had this issue, I changed the circuit board and it all started working fine after that. Right guys, unfortunately I couldn't get the circuit board on the same day because it's Saturday and a lot of shops were closed. So I've come back on Monday with a new circuit board. We're going to put that in. Unfortunately on these ones, right, we've got to program them in as well. So we're going to put that in and we're going to test it out, and hopefully it'll all be working fine after that.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं जी?
जी ठीक है।
But what for क्या चाहिए क्या सर?
जी I don't understand what you said. जी पार्ट मिल गया.
मिल गया.
हाँ जी.
Look at you or anything.
Oh, fine, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you drink anything like?
I've got lots of drinks. I'm trying. Can you wait? Drinks.
All right. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
trying so much, I'm sorry. I'm just hoping there's nothing else wrong with it. This is the only issue. Yeah, I'm trying so much. I'm just, like I said, hoping nothing else is wrong with it. I can't test anything else, and this is, That's what I was saying. Please consider changing the boiler with you guys.
I mean, for now,
Yeah, no. Hold me. There is one time when I changed the circuit board on it and it came down to the end. Conclusion was the board wasn't the only problem. So it became a problem. I don't know. That's why I thought the other one as well, isn't it? Yeah, but there was only one issue, but there was only one boiler that I came across. Hopefully. Sorry? No, it's still. How did you do something? See, 10 years. Good last time that's what good. Just me. At the moment. Yeah. Up for being. Yeah. What do you do?
I'm right now. I'm
Right, the central heating is on, but I haven't programmed the hot water in yet. So we're gonna put the case back on, and then we're gonna program it in. Right, guys, sorted this Biasi out. Bit of an awkward place to work on, but we needed to change the circuit board on it. It was just not firing up at all. So we changed the circuit board on it. It's all working fine now. The old circuit board, I think it was the transformer on that was quite weak on it. So it was just not unable to fire the boiler up. So we've done it. It's repaired it. It's all sorted. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham boiler fix. Right, guys, I've just repaired the boiler for this good gentleman here, and hopefully just going to give me a kind review.
Yeah, he's a really good plumber, very honest, reliable, trustworthy. Not a lot of plumbers are, he really takes care of his customers. I can't say enough good things about him, may Allah bless him, reward him immensely. Like I say, I can't say enough good things about him. He's just a really good guy, great plumber, just call him out, and if, he's the number one guy, in my opinion, really good experience, yeah, just, thank you, brother,
Thank you so much. That was really nice of him. Thank you very much.